Keling AI has released a new 1.5 model, and it allows you to generate 1080p HD videos in professional mode. The good thing is, they haven't changed the generation price. They say the new Keling 1.5 model shows a significant improvement in image quality, dynamic quality, and prompt relevance. I want to show you some video examples shared by Keling, tested with the same prompts using the new 1.5 model and the old 1.0 model. For the first example, we have a Chinese girl slowly looking towards the camera with a blurred city night scene in the background. The heroine is illuminated by the artificial light source in front of her, emphasizing her facial contours. The camera slowly moves to the heroine's face. To be honest, both videos look really good. I'm not noticing a huge difference between the models, but I guess there is a definite resolution upgrade in the 1.5 model. Here is another video of a monkey, and I can definitely see the difference in these videos. The 1.5 model video just looks like it has a lot more detail and is much clearer, whereas the 1.0 video looks okay but seems to be lacking in detail. As for the third example, we have a classic noodle video. And again, the video generated with the 1.5 model has a lot of detail. Other than that, both look pretty good. Here's a look at how the new 1.5 model works with animated videos. The prompt used for this example is a fox and a dinosaur dancing under a tree. In the 1.0 model video, it looks like they're kind of whispering something to each other instead of dancing. Whereas in the 1.5 model video, they're actually dancing, so I think it followed the prompt better than the 1.0 model. However, notice that there is some weird morphing happening to the arms of the dinosaur. Next, we have someone sticking a spoon into a bowl of food, and the 1.5 model has definitely followed the prompt better, as it actually shows a spoon going into the food, whereas the Keling 1.0 video doesn't feature anyone putting a spoon into the food. As for the final example, we have a deer that runs and turns into beautiful flowers flying all over the sky. Let me know which model did it better. Now, there are some limitations to the 1.5 model. At the moment, you can't use the motion brush yet, and you can't do camera control, so hopefully they add those features shortly. Speaking of the motion brush, let's jump into that. This is a really cool feature they've added, and it should give you a lot more control over how you animate your video. Let me show you a quick demonstration of how to use it. In the image to video section, upload an image. Now, scroll down and you will see the new motion brush feature. You can specify motion trajectories for up to 6 elements, which can be people or objects. Simply use the brush tool or use the auto segmentation for quick selection. Next, draw the path for adding movement in that direction. You can also add a static area that you don't want to move. Now select Confirm and hit Generate.
One eternity later.
Here's the final result. To be honest, I didn't like the result. So I tried again with just one element and used a prompt to describe the scene. This time it turned out much better. However, generating videos with the motion brush feature takes a lot of time. I waited almost 3 hours and it got stuck at 99%, so I gave up. When I checked the next day, the video was finally ready. There are also some additional upgrades to Keling. AI Videos supports simultaneous generation of 4 videos, making it faster and more convenient. The image to video feature now supports a 10-second duration, with end frames available in standard mode. The resolution of AI images can be increased by up to 4 times. So, there you have it, the latest Keling 1.5 update and its new features. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and share it with others. And if you want to see more videos on the latest AI tools and insights, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.